System IO Affiliate Program Walkthrough. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful affiliate marketing opportunity, the System IO Affiliate Program. If you're looking for a way to earn lifetime recurring commissions by promoting a highly useful tool for entrepreneurs, coaches, course creators, or small business owners, this tutorial is for you. So stick around as we break down what System IO is, how to sign up, how it pays, and strategies to make real money with it. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we have to talk about is what is System IO. System IO is an all-in-one marketing platform that combines email marketing, funnel building, course creation, automation, affiliate marketing, and web hosting all under in one dashboard. Think of it as a simplified alternative to tools like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, MailChimp, and Teachable at a fraction of the price. Because it covers so much, it has a very wide audience and is easy to sell. Popular among solopreneurs, coaches, digital product creators, and e-commerce sellers, it's especially attractive to beginners thanks to its free trial. From there, let's talk about the affiliate program overview. So, what's in it for affiliate? You have 60% lifetime recurring commission. Yes, lifetime. If someone you refer subscribes to a paid plan, you'll earn 60% of their monthly fee indefinitely. You have lifetime cookies. Even if someone doesn't buy immediately, you'll still be credited when they come back months later. It's free to join. You don't have to be a paying user to promote the product. And lastly, we have affiliate tools and tracking dashboard. Every time you need to monitor your clicks, leads, conversion, and payouts is built in. This makes System IO not only beginner friendly, but also a strong long-term passive income source. And so, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can sign up to System IO Affiliate. First things first, let's head over to the official website, which is going to be System.io-affiliate program. From here, you just have to enter your email address and click on the join and start earning affiliate commissions. From there, you then have to check out your email after typing in the email address that you have provided, and from there you will be able to see the link to simply join the affiliate program. Right after confirming your email address, you then have to enter your first name, last name. You can then create a new password and finally confirm the password that you have entered. After clicking on the save button, you will then be taken to the affiliate dashboard on your account right here. Simply inside your own dashboard, you'll be able to set up your payout methods. You'll be able to get your referral or links. And also we have a lot of dashboard menus right here that we can go ahead and take a look at. So if you navigate through your dashboard, you will be able to see your main leads right here. You can navigate through CRM, websites, email, automation, assets, and more. Now, just go ahead and click on the sales button, and from here navigate through My Affiliates program, and inside you will be able to see the overview of your affiliate program. To set it up, click on the affiliate program settings, and from here you will be able to set up everything that you need on your affiliate from System IO. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the commission payout details. Commissions are paid on the 10th of each month or every month. You'll need at least $30 in earning to go ahead and get paid. It is the minimum withdrawal payout. There's a 30-day hold period on all commissions to allow for refunds and disputes. Payments are made via PayPal or wire transfer depending on your location. Now, this model is ideal for creators who want to build consistent passive income. You can refer once and get paid every month. And so, how to go ahead and promote System IO. Here are 5 beginner-friendly ways to promote the affiliate link. Number one is through YouTube tutorials. You can create videos like Best Funnel Builder or How to Build a Sales Funnel for free. From there, you can just go ahead and leave your referral or affiliate link on the description of your YouTube videos. You can also promote it via blog articles. You can write content around System IO features, comparison, and how-tos, and sneak your link on those articles. You can promote it via Pinterest pins. You can link pins to blog posts or landing pages. You can promote it via ebooks. You can offer freebies in exchange for email signups and promote your affiliate link in the ebook. And lastly, you can promote it through Facebook groups and forums, or maybe somewhere like Discord or Reddit. You can share helpful tips and link in group for coaches, solopreneurs, and freelancers. Now, I'll also give you some pro tip or pro affiliate tips to go ahead and scale your earnings. If you want to earn $1,000 plus per month, here's how. Number one, you want to use a landing page. You want to build a funnel offering a freebie like a template or checklist and promote System IO within your follow-up emails. You want to create bonus content. You want to offer exclusive bonuses when people sign up using your link, like mini course, private Zoom calls, and etc. You want to build an email list. You can use System IO email tools to go ahead and build and nurture your audience. And from there, you want to make comparison videos. Videos and blog posts like System IO versus ClickFunnels or Kajabi versus System IO are SEO goals. And so, System IO is really worth it, or is it really worth to go ahead and promote? Yes, and here's why. People are actively searching for affordable, beginner-friendly tools. System IO has a generous, transparent affiliate model. It's growing fast and consistently updating with new features. And lastly, it have great support and low refund rate, which makes it stable affiliate income. So, whether you're just getting started or looking to diversify your affiliate income, System IO is one of the easiest, most lucrative platforms to promote. With 60% lifetime commissions, no upfront cost, and built-in tools to scale, it's a no-brainer for content creators, marketers, and freelancers alike. And so, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, and if you want to support my channel, you can sign up for System IO using the link below and start earning commissions today. Thanks for watching, and of course, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.